Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today I am making oats. Did you know that you can make oats in an instant pot? This is also a surprise to me, so let's get to it. The first thing that I'm going to do is to heat up my milk. So I'm going to use about a cup of milk. So for my milk, I'm using almond milk. You can use any milk of your choice, but I really enjoy this one, and I hear that it's actually healthier when it comes to calories. So my instant pot right now is on meat and stew, but it was supposed to be on broth. I just forgot. And then when my milk is hot, then I add about 3 scoops of oats. I'm using instant oats. You can use any oats of your choice. So for this one, it's faster. I'm just gonna heat up my instant pot for 2 minutes, and if I was using the normal oats, I would heat it up for 4 minutes. Either way, it's gonna be delicious. Okay, so after adding my oats to my milk, I stir all of that, and then I'm gonna close my instant pot, and then I'm gonna set it to soup or broth for 2 minutes. You can even use a pressure cook if you want. And then I add just a little bit of milk so that it doesn't burn. Then I'm gonna close it and make sure that it is on sealing and not venting, so that the steam does not escape. So I'm gonna be back after 2 minutes. Okay, so my oats is done now. I'm just gonna add cinnamon, then I'm gonna add almond butter. You can use any butter of your choice, and then I stir all of that up, and then I'm gonna plate. And then I added just bananas, and I added blueberry and some bit of cinnamon, and voila, I'm done. It was so delicious. Let me know if you try it at home, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Please also check out some of my videos. Until next time, have a great day. Bye.